Hello, this is Miss Foot Fixer. If you want to be notified for my next video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell button. Hello everybody, it's me, Miss Foot Fixer. How are you guys? I hope you guys are well. So we actually have this patient from who's British. You're British, right? Yeah. She's British, but she actually is studying in New York. And what I want you to tell you is that I am going to be in a TV show on the 8th of April called The Doctors. So I have lots of American subscribers, that's what I'm telling them. So go and watch it. It's all about my ingrown toenail kind of video. So go and watch it, you'll love it. I'm just going to start this corn because I'm sure you guys don't want me to talk anymore. So you can see that this corn is really big and quite deep. So what I'm going to do is take off the first surface of it like that. And I'm hopefully not going to hurt her too much. And what you can see is getting bigger. So sometimes when you look at a corn, it looks like it's tiny, but actually it's really deep. Sorry, Stephanie, just gonna. So it's very deep. Okay. Good. Stephanie, you can get the consent to sign the consent for me. I'd like to have a copy. No, it's nice. It's got paint to it. So it means it's very old.
Is it the 22nd?
So sometimes I don't talk. The reason why is because the patient doesn't want their voice in the video. So I obviously don't encourage talking because then the patient has to talk to me. So I apologize for everyone that, missed my voice. I'm sure nobody does, but I could talk about myself, but my life is pretty boring. Oh, this is deep. It's like got crystals inside. I'm gonna change my plate. So you can see it's a never-ending pit that you have here. Just going to scoop this out. Steph, can you just check my focus? I've changed my blade and also moved the angle, and maybe my head's in the way.
No, that's fine.
Yeah, good, thank you. Wow, it's so deep. This is a 2. Stephanie, can you give me a 1, please? Got in there. So you really need to go and see one kind of sooner, somebody sooner. So I'm just gonna file it to even the skin out.
Yeah, got that.
Yeah. Do a little bit more this one. Can I follow this one? If it hurts, just tell me, okay? Some people don't really like it. I'm going to do just scrape the outside a little bit. Let me just check this a little bit. Okay, dokie. So I'm just scrape the top bit here because it's lumpy a little bit. Just this top bit here. Stephanie, can I have a medium drill, a normal drill piece, please? Thank you. I think that's about it. I'm gonna file that down. It's getting turning pink a little bit. Okay, that's perfect. Okay, just zoom in, Stephanie, and then we'll move on to the other foot. So all done, nice hole, nice clean tissue. She's gonna come back. I'll see her in a couple of months.
The comment of this week is from Carol. Hello Carol! So in my last video I did a nail surgery removal and my dressing was pretty big. So Carol made fun of me and said, "Oh, I don't think there was enough course, Marion." And I was like, "Yeah, right, Carol." Thank you very much, Carol. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!